Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you another simple remedy for cough. Stay tuned until the end so you don't miss any steps. 1 orange. Oranges help boost the immune system thanks to their rich vitamin C content. They also promote healthy skin, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Garlic has antibacterial properties that help kill the bacteria causing coughs and soothe the throat. Garlic also helps strengthen the immune system and supports the body's recovery from colds or sore throats more quickly. 10 g of fresh ginger. Peel and chop into small pieces. Ginger helps soothe the throat and reduce irritation caused by coughing. In addition, ginger helps warm the body, loosen phlegm, and effectively relieve coughing. One tablespoon of honey. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we can connect from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. Let it sit for 2 hours. Squeeze the orange juice. This drink helps relieve coughs effectively and has an expectorant effect. My video is for informational purposes only. Don't forget to consult your doctor. Children over 2 years old, 2 teaspoons per day. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to support me. Adults over 12 years old can drink it all at once.